clearance, good day, November 112 Papa Zulu.
Number 112 Papa Zulu, Daytona clearance. Do you have a request?
Yeah, affirmative. November 112 Papa Zulu is a Cessna 172 slant uniform at the southeast ramp. Request a flight following to first flight, Kilo Foxtrot Alpha, 7,500 feet, with information Bravo.
Number 112 Papa Zulu, maintain VFR at or below 3,000. Departure frequency 123.9er. Squawk 2610.
Maintain VFR at or below 3,000 feet, departure frequency 123.9er and squawk 2610. Skyhawk 112 Papa Zulu.
Skyhawk 112 Papa Zulu, read back correct, verify information, Bravo.
Affirmative, we've got information Bravo 2 Papa Zulu.
Number 2 Papa Zulu, ground point 9er, when you're ready, have a good flight.
Ground point 9er, runway, thanks a lot, have a good day, 2 Papa Zulu. Daytona Tower, good day, Skyhawk 112 Papa Zulu, ready for departure, 7 right.
112 Papa Zulu, Daytona Tower, runway 7 right, fly runway heading clear for takeoff.
Runway 7 right, fly runway heading clear for takeoff, 112 Papa Zulu.
Oh, wie geil, Alter. Wir fliegen nach New York, ey.
New York approach, good day, Skyhawk 112 Papa Zulu, checking in at 3,000 feet.
Skyhawk 112 Papa Zulu, New York, good morning, New York altimeter 3015.
Altimeter 3015 to Papa Zulu.
At New York, Citation 510 Delta Golf through 9,000 for 7.
Citation 510 Delta Golf, New York, altimeter 3014, and landing at Solberg.
Yeah, affirmative, landing Solberg
expecting the visual over 22, and we are familiar with the cancellation.
0 Delta Golf, thanks. Instead of maintain 4,000, go direct to the airport.
4,000 direct to the airport, Delta Golf. Skyhawk 112 Papa Zulu request.
Go ahead.
Yeah, 2 Papa Zulu, can we get a clearance and airspace Bravo on our way to Linden, or would you like us to stay below?
No, you clear the Class C for Linden, but let's, if you can, start your descent, and you cleared in at 2,000, please.
2 Papa Zulu, you can descend, maintain 800. You're leaving New York Class Bravo airspace, radar service terminated, squawk VFR, frequency change approved. Good day.
Descending 800 feet, clear FSS Bravo, and frequency change approved, squawk and VFR, 2 Papa Zulu, have a good day, sir.
Linden Municipal Airport. Automated weather observation 1629er. Zulu weather wind 300 at 13. Visibility 10. Ceiling 4,800. Broken 6,000. Broken. Temperature 11 Celsius. Dew point -0. Altimeter 3017.
And 300 feet coming up.
Yeah,
Hell of a town. The Bronx is
Minimum.
the battery
Minimum.
down, and the people ride in the hole in the ground. New York, New York, it's a hell of a town. Start spreading the news. I'm leaving today. I want to be a part of it. New York, New York, these vagabond shoes, they are longing to stray right through the very heart of it. New York, New York, I want to wake up in a city that doesn't sleep and find I'm king of the hill, top of the heap. My small town blues, they are melting away. I'll make a brand new start of it in old New York. If I can make it there, I'll make it anywhere. It's up to you, New York, New York. In a city that never sleeps and find that I'm number one, top of the list, head of the heap, king of the hill. Oh, these are little town blues. They're all melting away. I am a
Oh, that city looks so sexy.
It does. What the fuck is this guy?
That is so sick.
Alter, wie geil, ey.
Oh, it looks so sexy.
Alright, bye bye New York, love you.
Es ist 5:45. Wir sind in Dare County Regional maximal. Wir haben gestern Abend versucht, für wenige Stunden in diesem Zelt zu schlafen. Bei gefühlten minus 30 Grad. Ja. Und jetzt geht's, glaube ich, nach New York. Hoffentlich, wenn wir irgendwo tanken und die Wolken nicht zu tief hängen. Weil die sieht man ja nicht, denn es ist dunkel. Ja. Helikopter taking off! So off! Guck mal!
And Northern 12 Papa Zulu, say again your destination?
Destination is first flight, Kilo Foxtrot, Foxtrot Alpha.
That's Foxtrot, Foxtrot Alpha, that's in North Carolina, is that correct?
Affirmative, 2 Papa Zulu.